just to get over you. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you say there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you.